License compliance refers to the adherence to the terms and conditions of software licenses or other legal agreements related to the use of software. Hardware or intellectual property. It is crucial for individuals, organizations, and businesses to maintain compliance with these agreements to avoid legal issues and financial penalties. Here are some key aspects of license compliance. Number one, understanding license agreements. Organizations should thoroughly review and understand the terms and conditions of software licenses, including the type of licenses, example, commercial and open source, usage restrictions, and the number of permitted installations. Number two, licenses tracking and management. Maintain an accurate record of all software licenses, including purchase receipts, serial number, and license keys. Implement license and management tools of software to track software installations and usage within the organization. Number three, deployment and installations compliance. Ensure that software is installed and used only in accordance with the terms specified in the license agreement. Monitor the number of installations and verify that it does not exceed the licensed limit. Number 4. License renewals and updates. Keep track of license renewal dates and ensure that licenses are renewed before they expire to maintain continuous compliance. Stay updated with latest software versions and security patches. Number 5. Open source software compliance. Understand the terms of open source software licenses. Example, GNU General Public License, MIT licenses, and ensure compliance with their requirements. Maintain records of open source components used in software projects and provide proper attribution as required. Number 6. Audits and compliance check. Be prepared for software audits conducted by software vendors or third-party organizations to verify compliance. Cooperate fully with audit requests and provide accurate documentation of software licenses. Number 7. Penalties and consequences. Understand the potential legal and financial consequences of non-compliance, which may include fines, legal actions, or loss of software usage rights. Number 8. Employee training and awareness. Educate employees about the importance of licenses compliance and their role in ensuring compliance within the organization. Establish clear internal policies and procedures related to software usage and licensing. Number 9. Vendor relationship. Maintain open communication with software vendors to address licensing concerns and negotiate terms if necessary. Keep records of communications with vendors regarding license agreements and compliance. Number 10. Regular compliance reviews. Conduct period internal reviews of software license compliance to identify and rectify any potential issues proactively. Documentation and records. Maintain detailed records of all software licenses, contracts, and compliance related activities. Document any corrective actions taken in response to compliance issues. License compliance is not only a legal requirement but also an ethical and responsible practice. It helps organizations manage their software assets efficiently, avoid legal disputes, and protect their reputation. Compliance should be an ongoing process integrated into organizations' IT software management practices. Now let's discuss about SAM, which is mandatory for every organization. SAM, which stands for Software Asset Management, is a strategic approach to managing and optimizing an organization's software assets throughout their life cycle. The primary goal of SAM is to ensure that an organization is using its software licenses efficiently, compliantly, and cost effectively. SAM encompasses various processes and practices aimed at controlling software costs, mitigating compliance risk, and maximizing the value derived from software investments. Here are key aspects of SAM. Number 1. Inventory and discovery. SAM begins with identifying and cataloging all software assets within an organization. This includes commercial software, open source software, and internally developed applications. Discovery tools may be used to automate this process. Number 2. License management. SAM involves tracking software licenses, agreements, and entitlements. Organization needs to ensure that they have the right number of and type of licenses to cover their software installations and usage. Number 3. Compliance monitoring. SAM helps organizations maintain compliance with software licenses, agreements, and regulations. Regular checks and audits are conducted to ensure that software usage aligns with the terms and conditions set forth in licensing agreements. Number 4. Cost optimization. SAM aims to optimize software costs by identifying unused or underutilized software, eliminating redundant applications, and negotiating favorable license agreements with vendors. Number 5. Risk mitigation. SAM helps mitigate legal and financial risk associated with non-compliance. Organizations can proactively address compliance issues before they lead to legal actions or financial penalties. Number 6. Usage tracking. Tracking software usage patterns helps organizations make informed decisions about software procurement and retirement. It ensures that software investments align with actual needs. Number 7. Vendor management. SAM involves managing relationship with software vendors and negotiating license agreements that are beneficial to the organization. Vendor management also includes understanding software vendor policies and product roadmaps. Number 8. Policy and process development. Establishing SAM policies and process within the organization ensures that SAM is an ongoing and systematic practice. This includes creating guidelines for software procurement, deployment, and retirement. Number 9. Employee training and awareness. SAM requires the cooperation of employees throughout the organization. Training and awareness program helps staff understand the importance of compliance and their role in SAM. Number 10. Audit preparations. Organizations should be prepared for software audits, both from software vendors and regulatory bodies. SAM helps ensure that an organization can respond to audits effectively. Number 11. Reporting and analysis. SAM generates reports and analysis on software usage, cost, compliance status, and potential cost saving. This data informs decision making and helps identify areas of improvement. Number 12. Continuous improvement. SAM is an ongoing process that evolves as the organization's software landscape changes. Regular reviews and adjustments are necessary to maintain its effectiveness. SAM can be complex and resource-intensive initiative, but the benefits in terms of cost savings, compliance assurance, and efficient software usage can be substantial. Many organizations invest in SAM tools and software to automate and streamline this process.